Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice problem that we have to just find out which is bigger, that 2 to the power 50 or 19 factorial. So here first we are going to check this 2 to the power 50. So here we have that 2 to the power 50. This 2 to the power 50 can also be written as that if we just take log, that log, here we have log 2 to the power 50 to base 2. So it is equal to, as we know that it is equal to 50, because we know that log b to the power a to base b is equal to a. So according to this law, we have log 2 to the power 50 to base 2 is equal to 50. So it is our first answer, that log 2 to the power 50 to base 2 is equal to 50. Now we are going to check this 19 factorial. Here we have 19 factorial. So 19 factorial is written as that 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times up to 18 times 19. So if we just take log to base 2, then we have log 19 factorial to base 2 is equal to, here, log to base 2 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 and up to 18 times 19. So here, using logarithm law, as we know that if we have log a times b, then it is equal to log a plus log b, log a plus log b. So here we have that log 19 factorial to base 2 is equal to, it is log 1 to base 2 plus log 2 to base 2 plus log 3 to base 2 plus up to we have log 19 to base 2. So now here we are going to write these 19 terms into different groups here. So first of all, we are going to make our first group here, that it is log 1 to base 2, it is our first group. Similarly, log 2 to base 2 plus log 3 to base 2, it is our second group. And here we have our third group, which is log 4 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 plus log 6 to base 2 plus log 7 to base 2. And it is our third group. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. So now we are going to write our that fourth group here. So it is log 8 to base 2 plus log 9 to base 2 plus log 10 to base 2 up to plus log 15 to base 2. So here we have that 8 terms up to log 15 to base 2. Now we are going to write our last group here, that is log, it is 15, so it will be 16 to base 2 plus log 17 to base 2 plus log 18 to base 2 and plus log 19 to base 2. So here we have that 4 terms again. Now here we know that log 1 to base 2, that because of log 1 to any base, we know that it is equal to 0. So hence log 1 to base 2, it is equal to 0. Now here we have that log 2 to base 2, This log 2 to base 2, it is equal to 1, so it is equal to 1. And this log 3 to base 2, it is greater than 1. We get the value of log 3 to base 2 is greater than 1. So let's say it is that 1 and it is greater than 1. So when we add these, then we get that 1 plus 1, which is greater than 2. So log 2 to base 2 plus log 3 to base 2 is greater than 2. Now this third group here, log 4 to base 2, and we know that this 4 is actually, it is 2 squared. So if it is 2 squared, then here we have log 4 to base 2, it is equal to 2. And similarly log 5 to base 2, it is greater than 2. Here we have it is greater than 2, and similarly it is also greater than 2, log 6 to base 2, and it is also log 7 to base 2 is greater than 2. So here we have that 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms, and all these are greater than 2. Then we just write 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 and plus 2 8. So it is greater than 8. Here we get 8. Now log 8 to base 2, so 8 is equal to 2 cubed. 8 is equal to 2 cubed. Then log 8 to base 2 is greater than 3. Log 9 to base 2, here we have it is greater than 3. And then log 10 to base 2 is greater than 3. And similarly we have 8 terms here, so all these terms are greater than 3. Then we just multiply that 3 times, we have 8 terms, so 8 times 3 is 24. Then it is greater than 24. Now we are going to check our fifth group here, log 16 to base 2. Log 16, here 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4. So it is that log 16 to base 2 is 4, and here log 17 to base 2 is greater than 4. Similarly 18 greater than 4, and log 19 to base 2 is greater than 4. So here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. When we add, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 12, plus 4 is 16. So this fifth group is greater than 16. Now we add these terms, as here log 19 factorial to base 2, so it is equal to log 19 factorial to base 2. We have our first term, that is log 1 to base 2, it is equal to 0. So adding plus this one is greater than 2, then we just write here 2 plus here it is 8 and plus it is 24 and plus we have 16. Now when we add all these, then log 19 factorial to base 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 24 is 34, and plus 16 is 50. So here we get 50, but it is greater than this one. So here we just put that log 19 factorial to base 2 is greater than 50. So here we see that it is our second, we have this number. So now comparing our first and second answer, here we have 50. This first term is equal to 50 and second is greater than 50. So we get that this term, which is 19 factorial, this term is actually, it is bigger than 2 to the power 50. So hence we prove that 19 factorial is bigger than 2 to the power 50. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.